everybody. So today I wanted to do a little intro video for the soap that we're making today. It's inspired by a song by Bruce Springsteen called Waitin' on a Sunny Day. I actually had, for this month, I had way different soaps planned. One of them was actually a soap that I had a design based on a Bruce Springsteen album cover, but I had drawn those months and months and thought of them months ago, way before, so probably this winter I was working on those designs for the summertime, and I've made a couple of them, but a lot of the more specific soaps I haven't made because I wanted to make other things that were based on memories that we had as a family, kind of a comfort to myself personally, and I hope that they would be they would kind of be encouraging to other people. I know soap's kind of weird, it's going to be encouraging, but it is to me to make it, and I really kind of feel like it's an art form that I can share with others, and just with the fragrance and the designs and the videos that we do, that we hope that we are encouraging and helping other people to get through this kind of challenging time that we're going through right now all together. So anyway, this soap is inspired by the Bruce Springsteen song Waitin' on a Sunny Day, which my son introduced to me just a few months ago. I actually listened to Bruce Springsteen my whole life, but I had never heard this song. He could tell you exactly when it came out, and I cannot remember what album it was on, but it's a very encouraging, uplifting song that I play all the time when I'm out in my studio making soap, and I just kind of wanted to express my appreciation for the song and how encouraging it's been for me. So I wanted to make a soap design for that song, and I'm using a squeeze bottle to do a tier, which I hope turns out, but we'll see in the end if it turns out or not. Never done that before with an embed that I have to put in, which is a custom embed that I made with cold processed soap using to make the sun. It's going to be the Waitin' on the Sunny Day. And the fragrance we're using is a fragrance that I wanted to use because it also has memories attached to the fragrance, is guava. And my husband, I hate to say we grew up, but I was 14, he was 19 when we moved to Florida, and we lived in Tampa particularly, which had a huge Puerto Rican, Cuban, mostly Cuban, and Jamaican. It was just lots of cultural influences in that area. And one of the things that we were introduced to, both of us being from the north, we had never heard of guava before, but we both fell in love with it when we got married. There were tons of guava things in where we were living in Florida. So, and we just loved the fruit. This one smells so much like guava, and I wanted to incorporate that into this soap because it has a lot of pleasant memories for us, and it just smells really good, really sweet. If you know what a guava smells like or tastes like, it's really good, and actually very good for you, and one of the most richest fruits that there is with vitamin C, but I digress. So this soap, inspired by that song. I'm a person who always looks for the bright side. I try to find the positive in everything, and I do that most of the time, but things in the world lately kind of had me getting discouraged. So which is why I changed the soaps for this month. All of the soaps that I made this month for the release at the end of July were soaps that were comforting to me and brought me, I was remembering things, and I've always been somebody, I actually go to bed every night and I pray, and I am thankful for all of the things that I have upcoming, and then I'm also thinking about all of the things that I have to look forward to. That was getting kind of hard to do, and I've had to, reach deep and try to find some positivity, and these soaps that I'm making were kind of my, just one of the things that I was doing to help me be more positive this month. So making the soap itself has helped me to focus on just growing our business and encouraging others through our soap and our videos. And I really hope that watching these and learning about the inspiration behind it is uplifting. You should definitely go look up the song It's a happy song, which is kind of rare for Bruce Springsteen. A lot of his have a lot of serious topics, and this one kind of does too, but I hope that it's something that that by making this, that it makes things a little brighter for you too when you get to see it. And it will be available at the end of July if you want to get a bar. So I hope this soap, and Hope is actually my middle name, by the way, will be one that will bring a smile to your face, and it will help all of us as we wait for that sunny day. I know it's been one that has really helped me. All of this soap making stuff really helps me to focus on the good things. So anyway, so let's go ahead and we'll get started and we'll make some soap.